Hello and welcome to episode 4 of the Coder's Break. Are you a coder? Do you need a break? Chances are yes. Well, here we get to laugh at some memes, and if you laugh, you win, because we all know that laughter is the best medicine. So if you enjoy taking a quick break and having a laugh, please do like and subscribe. Now let's jump in. Okay, client asks, is your site responsive? Me? McDowell's, yeah, definitely responsive. Whenever I work on a front-end application, oh man, it's such a pain in the butt to try and make it responsive, and you start fiddling around. I'm used to Bootstrap, so you sort of start getting used to it, but if you're not doing it every day, man, you can spend hours and hours just trying to get something to stack up right, and usually it ends up looking like McDowell's here. Me quickly developing a program. Semicolons. Again, semicolons is a running theme. I hate them. That's why I like programming in Ruby. I don't have to touch semicolons. It's bliss. But yeah, I mean, you forget your semicolon and you could be spending hours looking for that little pesky bugger. Okay, don't do that. All right, user experience versus design. This is classic. If someone had a nice idea of let's build a pathway with a big circle in the middle, and within that big circle we'll have another circle that's filled with grass, because it'll look nice, right? People don't care, especially if you don't put anything nice in there and it's just grass. They're gonna walk straight across it. Same with your site. You don't have to spend hours and hours and hours making these fancy UI if it is not helping the user get to what they want to get to quickly. Just build something simple, plain, quick, and easy. That's what I love about Google's design. There's no fluff. They've thought this through a lot. They know exactly what the user needs, how, and guides them there very quickly. So yeah, don't build fluff. Okay, programming. Yep, Biden walking up the stairs to Air Force One. Programming while someone watches. Yeah, 100%. I am Biden tripping over, and he tripped up multiple times here too. He corrected the first one, and then he tripped again, which was hilarious. How's this guy even in power? I have no idea. He can't even stand up straight. Anyway, political motivations aside, I'm always like that when I'm trying to code. I get a bit nervous and I start pulling a Biden. I start tripping up. I start talking nonsense. You know, he's gonna calm down, think a little clearer, and just pretend no one's watching. Does anyone else get that fear of having eyes on you while you code? All right, good luck, speed cameras. Okay, I love this. All right, so someone here is a smart ass into computer science by the look of it, somewhere in Europe. What they've put here is what looks like some command to drop the database table, and they've stuck that on the front of their car in the hopes that the camera would take a picture of their car and pick up that command somehow that would run this drop database table and delete all the data. Well, I mean, it's worth a try, right? It's worth a try. All right, so all the hiring experience, my programming experience, regular Rubik's Cube. The experience job recruiters want: some non-existent, multifaceted Rubik's Cube that just doesn't exist in the real world. And the salary they give is just a dice. It doesn't even have numbers on it. I mean, this is pretty accurate with some postings out there at least. And I think a lot of recruiters have no idea what they're asking for when they have this laundry list of stuff. But I don't know, some companies are good. Others, though, it's just like this. What's your experience with hiring? Do you see it like this, or do you think it's usually pretty good, pretty straightforward and well paid? Okay, here we have some gents. Windows user. In comes a Linux user. Cardinal sin. Pulls up next to the guy. When all of those other urinals are empty, they choose the one right next to the other dude. You should switch to Linux, bro. Yeah, well, you know what? Sometimes you just got to spread the word, because Windows sucks. Not a big fan of Bill Gates and Windows. Used to use it all the time, but since not using it, I don't miss it one bit. So yeah, don't use Windows if you don't have to. What people think programmers argue about. So we got Donkey Kong and Godzilla going at it here. Your sorting algorithm has flaws. It's faster than quicksort. I improvised the algorithm. So yeah, I mean, maybe kind of data structure and algorithm type issues is what you'd think we all talk about, right? Especially given that the interview process in many companies is so focused on data structure and algorithms. But in reality, we got Barney in a T-Rex outfit here arguing that the variable should be named date updated, and updated date looks better. I mean, that's so true. In reality, I mean, think about it. How many times are you writing a sorting algorithm in web development? It will come, but not very often. So you might discuss it, I don't know, once every quarter if you got to write it that frequently. But you're always writing variable names, and you're always using conditionals and method names and things like that. These are always coming up. So these are going to be discussed much more regularly. And as silly as it sounds, these are really important to get right. Or there's no perfect or right answer, but in a way that the developers working on the code agree is a reasonable convention. So yeah, good luck with that. Me. Mom, can we have wireless earbuds? Mom. No, we have wireless earbuds at home. Wireless earbuds at home. Yeah, that's pretty, I mean, she's not wrong. It is a wireless earbud. I don't know how comfortable that would be to actually use, having your phone right here. Right here. What do you think? Would you use these? Is that the kind of thing your mum would do? I know mine would. My mum always skinted on the basic stuff. Okay, what do we got here? Introducing special earrings for programmers. Now you can easily wipe your tears off when you're crying while fixing your errors. Yeah, that's pretty convenient. Hopefully you're not crying when you're fixing your errors, because maybe you need to take a break. I think it would be a good time to watch a meme video just like this one where we laugh at stuff. Don't want to be crying, do we? Alright, that's it. Super quick. Couple memes. Hopefully you laughed. And if you laughed, you win. But the ends always justify the memes. Don't forget that. Alright, like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you on the next silly video.